Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to draw an arrow in Illustrator step by step so you can easily add arrows to your designs. Step 1. Start by selecting the line segment tool from your toolbar. You can also press the # key on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Click and drag on your artboard to draw the base of your arrow. Hold Shift to keep the line perfectly straight. Step 2. Open the Stroke panel by going to Window, then click on Stroke. This panel allows you to customize the appearance of your line, including thickness and caps. Make sure your line is selected before adjusting the stroke settings. Step 3. Create the arrowhead by checking the arrowheads options in the stroke panel. You can choose from a variety of arrowhead styles for the start, end, or both ends of your line. Adjust the scale value to make the arrowhead bigger or smaller, depending on your design needs. Step 4. Fine-tune your arrow by adjusting the stroke weight and arrowhead scale until it looks just right. You can also use the Direct Selection tool to adjust the position or angle of the line if needed. Once satisfied, your arrow is ready to use anywhere in your Illustrator project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Illustrator tips and tutorials.